Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Just got this Underwood Model S ready. Go back to the customer. Did a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of service. Got the carriage lift working better on this. This still has carriage lift on this model. It was a little bit sluggish. Carriage movement was a little sluggish. That's all fixed up. Margin sliders were frozen. Those are nice and smooth now. So everything got a little attention on this machine. But that's not uncommon. Ribbon right here. Been reworked, and of course it's got the driver right down here. So you can run that ribbon one direction and then just pull this in and out. Does reverse, goes back the other way, but it will do that automatically, of course, now. It's all working good. Paper release lever up here, sticking up high, but look what it does. It raises the paper bail when you release the paper release. So let's stick a piece of paper in here. Tie this thing real quick. Paper rolls through perfect. This is a nice typewriter. Types nice and even. These just have a great print to them. Looking good, so everything on here has been reworked a little bit. Even cleaned up the return arm and all this with the wire brush. Kind of cleaned up the metal, polished the metal up here as much as possible. Even the trim down here. Got that trim, was pretty discolored. Get that all trimmed up really good, and then of course in the basket in here, it's all prettied up in there, so that's all been reworked. Everything is nice, super responsive. Just barely touching these, and they just act like they're feathers. Nice typewriter. I do like these Underwoods because they got such a smooth touch. Now is the time to type is right. So that's our little highlight for today. Got this machine all ready to go back to the customer. It's missing a few screws. Seriously, it was missing a screw up here. And another one over here somewhere in the racket. Got that all back in order. Put this plate back on here. Alright, looking pretty again. Paint cleaned up really good. Mechanically and cosmetically, we got a winner. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.